Good morning, my dear students. Today we are starting the chapter 7 Working with Tables. In my earlier videos, we have discussed the chapter 4 Introduction to Word Processor, chapter 5 Editing a Document, chapter 6 Formatting a Document. Today we are going to start the chapter 7, that is Working with Tables. In Working with Tables, we will discuss these subtopics like how we can insert our tables in a Word document, how we can enter a data in these tables, how we can insert new rows and the columns, how we can delete the earlier cells, rows and columns, and how we can splitting and merging a table and the cells, plus how we can move and copy our table. So let's start with the practical sessions of these topics. Now first subtopic is how we can insert our table in a Word document. There are the three methods of inserting a table. Firstly, you have to click on this insert tab, and whenever you will click on this insert tab, then you will go on the table group, and in the table group first is insert tables. There are some cells are drawn here and you can select from here. As I am selecting, and you can see the table is drawing here on your Word document like this. Second row, third row, now this one, 3 columns. I have selected 3 rows and the 3 columns, and that is drawn on your Word document. More columns, more columns, more columns. Now it's a 3 rows and the 5 columns like this. By this method you can insert a table. Second method is go on this next tab that is insert table. Click on this insert table, then the insert table, some pop-up menu will be opened and you can select the number of the rows and the number of the columns. I'm changing the numbers here. Number of columns, that are 5, 6, 7, you can change from here like this, and number of rows from here. I'm selecting 3 rows, 3 columns, and the number of rows 4. And when I will click on OK, then that table will be drawn. I'm clicking on OK. You can see 4 rows and the 3 columns is drawn here. Next method is insert table. Now I'm deleting this, selecting this, and I'm selecting this table. And you will click on this tab, that is the layout tab, and then you will click on this delete button. Here is an arrow at the bottom of this delete button. As I will click on this arrow, there are some options: delete cell, delete column, delete rows, and the delete table. I am selecting the delete table. Now you can see that this table is deleted from here. Next, third method, insert, then table, and then you will go on this draw table. Whenever you will click on this draw table, then your cursor will be changed into the pencils. You can see a change. I am clicking on this draw table, and your cursor is less like a pencil. Now by moving this pencil on the screen, you can draw a table like this. Sorry, again I am doing this, insert, like this one, first row, second row, third row. Now I am making this columns like this. Now I am making this columns. You can see here. This is the third method of how you can make a table, in how you can insert a table in the Word document. 3 method. Firstly, go in the insert, then select the cells. Second, draw insert table, and third, draw table. These are the 3 methods of inserting a table. Now this table is inserted. मैं एक टेबल और ड्रॉ कर रही हूँ. Insert table, Now I have inserted one more table. In first table there are 4 rows, 1 2 3 4 5 columns. In second table there are 3 rows and 1 2 3 4 columns. Then you can see that how we can insert a table. The next is how you can enter a data in these cells. Just go in any cell in the table and you can write down like this. I am writing. Or if you want to move from one cell to the another cell, just press the tab. When I am pressing the tab, now I am in this cells and I am pressing the tab. Now I move to the next cell. So this is how we can enter the data. Next is how we can insert the rows and the column in a table. For example, I am writing here A, here B, here C. I have written A, B, C in the 3 rows. If I want to insert one more rows in it, then go on the second cell. Now how we can insert a row? Just I want to insert the row after this row, B row, then click on this cell, right click on it, then insert. Go in insert and insert. I want to insert below. I am clicking on this insert rows below. You can see one row is inserted here. For example, I want to insert one column. After this, I clicked on this cell, right click on this, insert, and insert column to the left and insert column to the right. I want to insert to the right, then click on this right. You can see one column is already inserted here. So by this method, rows and the columns are inserted here. Second method to insert a rows and column is you have to select a table. When you will select a table, you can see one more tab here, that is the layout tab. Click on this layout tab, go to rows and the columns group, and you can insert from here. Insert above, insert below, insert left and insert right. By this methods, by using this group, you can insert the rows and the columns here. So it's clear. By this you can insert, and by right clicking you can insert. These are the methods for inserting a rows and the column. And second method is how you can delete the rows and the column. If I want to insert, suppose I want to insert this new inserted rows, click on this, right click and delete. You can click on this delete cells. That will delete the cells from here. Clearly, अगर आपको पूरी रो delete करनी है, then select the complete row. Complete row, right click and the delete rows options you can see. By this method you can delete the rows. And the second method, same method, that is click on this layout button, then go on this rows and the columns group and click on this delete button arrow, and you can see delete rows and the delete cells. Delete rows, click on this. By this method you can delete a row. These are the two methods for deleting a rows and the columns. Next we are going to discuss that are the splitting and merging the cells. How you can split and merge a cells. If you want to split a cell, then go on that cell. In this you want to split. Suppose I am going on this cell. I am going in this cell and I want to split this cell into 3 columns. Click on this. Click on the layout tab. Whenever you will click on this layout tab, then in merge group you can see split the cells, yeah, and split the tables. It's up to you. आपने क्या करना है, टेबल स्प्लिट करनी है या सेल स्प्लिट करनी है. अभी हम सेल स्प्लिट्स कर रहे हैं. सो आई एम क्लिकिंग ऑन दिस स्प्लिट सेल्स. क्लिक ऑन दिस. आई एम क्लिकिंग नंबर ऑफ रोज यही रहेंगी एंड नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स 3. ओके, यू कैन सी ये सेल 3 कॉलम्स में डिवाइडेड हो गया. 1 इज द रो एंड 1 2 and 3 columns. These are the methods to splitting our tables. sorry, splitting a cells. If you want to split a table, click on this, then layout tab, then split table. जहाँ पे मेरा कर्सर था वहाँ से उसने टेबल को डिलीट कर दिया. अब ये एक रो की अलग टेबल है और बी और सी की अलग टेबल है. दीज आर द टू मेथड्स ऑफ इंसर्टिंग अ tables in it. Clearly, for splitting our tables. Next is how we can merge a cell. How we can merge the tables. You can see there are the two tables. One is this table and second is this. Now put your cursor between these two tables. Now my cursor, you can see my cursor is here between these two tables. Put your cursor between this. You place your pointer. Cursor, can you place your pointer between these two tables and press the delete key to move the spacing. Just press the delete key from your keyboard. I press the delete key from your keyboard and these two tables are merged into one table. So these are the methods of splitting and merging the tables. Now is it clear to you? And next is how you can copy a table and how you can move a table. If you want to make another table with the same rows and the columns, select the table, right click, copy, and now move anywhere where you want to copy it. Like this. Again right click and click on this paste. And these tables are pasted here. Second is how you can move a table. Click on this table. I want to move from here to another. Right click, cut. Then again enter. Then right click and paste. Now my table is moved from here to here. By these methods you can copy and move a table. These was all about a table, how you can insert a table and how you can do the many functions with these tables and many operations on these tables. Your next topic is how you can print a document. It's very small topic, how we can printing a document. If you want to print the page, just click on this file. Click on this file option and go on the print. Sorry, I think screen is not showing. Right, click on this file tab and you can see there is the print option. Click on this print option. How many copies you want? You can choose your copies here. आप इस पेज की कितनी copies चाहते हैं? You can. यहाँ पे ये आपको प्रीव्यू दिखा रहा है. अगर आपने प्रिंट ऑल पेजेस करने हैं देन ऑल पेजेस. मान लीजिए योर वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट इज ऑफ द 10 पेजेस, तो जहाँ पर आपका कर्सर होगा इट विल टेक इट एज अ करंट पेज. तो इफ़ यू वांट टू टेक द प्रिंट आउट ऑफ द करंट पेज यू कैन क्लिक ऑन दैट पेज एंड यू कैन क्लिक ऑन दिस प्रिंट करंट पेज ऑप्शन. अदरवाइज प्रिंट ऑल पेजेस. One option is print one side या print on both sides. It's also you can select from here. Collated and uncollated. If you want to print all the documents in the sequence, then you have to choose the collated. But if you want to choose not in the sequence, just randomly you want to choose your pages for the printing, then you can choose the uncollated. For example, I am selecting this uncollated. अब यहाँ पे अनकोलेटेड करके आप कुछ भी दे सकते हो 1,3,6. तो इट विल प्रिंट फर्स्ट फिर 3 एंड देन 6 नंबर पेज इट विल प्रिंट. पोर्ट्रेट, इफ़ यू वांट टू प्रिंट द पोर्ट्रेट एंड अगर मैं लैंडस्केप कर देती हूँ यू कैन सी द प्रीव्यू इन दिस प्रीव्यू चेंजेस. एंड इफ आई एम सेलेक्टिंग द पोर्ट्रेट ओरिएंटेशन यू कैन सेलेक्ट फ्रॉम हेयर. लेटर, you can print it as a letter, A3 sheet, A4 sheet, whatever you want to choose it. Margins, you can select the margins from here. And next is 1 page per sheet. अगर आपके 10 pages है और एक sheet पर आप छोटे छोटे आइकन्स में अपने 6 पेजेस 8 पेजेस आप शो करना चाहते हो, देन यू कैन चूज फ्रॉम हेयर 1 पेज पर शीट, 2 पेज पर शीट, 4 pages per sheet, 6 pages per sheet. By these settings you can customize your print settings. And after that, after doing all these settings, just click on this print button and your complete document will be with the many pages will be printed here. बट जो भी आपका प्रिंटर है वो आपको अटैच करना पड़ेगा पहले अपने इसके साथ सॉफ्टवेयर के थ्रू, और उसके बाद आपको यहाँ पर उस प्रिंटर का नेम सेलेक्ट करना है. राइट क्लिक ऑन इट एंड यू कैन सेलेक्ट द नेम ऑफ योर प्रिंटर. एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू ऐड द प्रिंटर, जस्ट क्लिक ऑन द ऐड प्रिंटर. जो भी आपका प्रिंटर होगा, यू विल have to attach your printer to your computer. After that, that print option will be enabled, otherwise this is disabled. And these are all about the settings of your printing. So I think the chapter 7 is completed, that is tables, and the chapter 8 is completed, how we can print our documents. So these two topics are cleared in my today's video. Please do the practice of these topics, and my last topic is left, that is the mail merge, that we will do this topic in my next video, in my tomorrow's video. And after that your this Word document unit will be completed, that will be finished. Then I will give you some question answers. You have to do these question answers in your notebook. एंड बुक वर्क तो आपको सारा ही करना है, क्वेश्चन आंसर्स भी सारे ही करने हैं, बिकॉज इट्स बट इन जो मैं आपको बता रही हूँ, दैट आर द इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन आंसर्स दैट यू हैव टू श्योरली राइट इन योर नोटबुक. ओके, थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.